Presenting EWWW Image Optimizer, a site image compression plugin that improves site speed, bounce rate, SEO ranking, and user experience. You can automate the site's image compression and conversion for optimal aesthetics on any browser or device, making this plugin an excellent alternative to WP Smush. If you want to optimize site speed without sacrificing the quality, you can use image scaling, plus you could also save potentially expensive storage space. EWWW Image Optimizer is a great option for WordPress website owners and developers who want to make their sites faster and improve the user experience.
By using the Settings page, you can view space-saving metrics and your optimization score. The visitor's screen sizes come in a wide range, and images are hard to optimize for each case. Using EWWW Image Optimizer's lazy loader functionality, you can auto-scale images on your site up or down to the ideal size. By enabling this feature, you can drastically reduce the load time of your site and improve user experience, saving during the process valuable time and bandwidth. If you like what you hear about EWWW Image Optimizer, get lifetime access today at a great price by checking out the link in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of great upcoming deals on software like this one.
Implementing lazy load for your images improves the load times of your page, as it prevents images from loading until they are in or near the viewport. That's why EWWW Image Optimizer offers a dose of spring cleaning for your site's media files. You can compress every image on your site at once with just the click of a button, simply by using the Bulk Optimizer tool. All image objects are on the spot. To save you tons of storage space, EWWW Image Optimizer enables you to reach images stored in any folder on your site, including custom folders from plugins.
You can easily scan and compress images across your active theme, even configured folders, and all this is possible with Bulk Optimize. With EWWW Image Optimizer, your site will be enhanced using caches for pages, automatic Google font optimization, and other speed hacks or features available with the Swize Performance plugin. Additionally, you will also have a plugin letting you take advantage of various CSS JavaScript optimization tricks to control page files. You'll be sliming down your page weights using the most impactful site speed hacks. That's the kind of impact this great plugin lets you do.
You'll host a site that scales better and converts, making your business more successful and profitable. It's simple and easy to optimize your images. Start compressing your media files to send your fast-loading, high-quality site, speeding up the search engine rankings. It will make users surf smoother and quicker. Whether your website is just a job, a hobby, or your passion, EWWW Image Optimizer is about making image optimization available to everyone and helping you achieve success in making your website as fast as possible. Get lifetime access today. Check out the link in the description below. If you like this deal, check our videos for many excellent deals on software. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.